Say yourself.
My name is Naushat. I am studying third class. My school name is Krishnaveni High School.
Forest.
Forest.
Desert.
Desert.
Minister.
Minister.
Independence.
Independence.
Tolerance.
Tolerance.
Diversity.
Diversity.
Present.
Present.
River. Community.
Community.
Village.
Village.
India.
India.
Country.
Country.
Continent.
Continent.
Mountain.
Mountain.
Weather.
Weather.
Tradition.
Tradition.
Responsibility.
Responsibility.
National.
National.
Symbol.
Symbol.
Emblem.
Emblem.
Society.
Society.
Future.
Future.
Equality.
Equality.
President.
President.
Government.
Government.
Heritage.
Heritage.
Leader. Festival.
Festival.
Monument. Anthem. Cooperation.
Cooperation.
Congratulations, Master.
Thank you, sir.